How to log into Loft Credit Card account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up any web browser. Now on the search bar, search for Loft Credit Card. Then you want to tap on the very first option that you see, which is loft.com. Once you're on this page, you want to tap on the sign in option. Here you want to enter your email address. After that, enter your password. If you want your credentials to be remembered, check this box. However, uncheck it if you are on a public computer or device. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password option, then enter your email address. Loft will send you an email so that you can create a new password and then log in using that. Once all the details have been entered, tap on the sign in option. If you are new to this, tap on the sign up option. Here you will have to fill up some details and then your new account will be created. Once you have been logged in, you will be able to access your credit card dashboard. From there, you can manage your credit card account. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.